Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
What's up? What's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and exactly 2 years ago, I started this YouTube channel. My very first rebuild was this flooded 2016 Ford Focus RS that I bought at Copart after Hurricane Harvey. Until this day, it still stands as the cheapest Ford Focus RS 2 years later, and that's pretty awesome. So I'm going to be talking a little bit today, so if you want to just focus on the rebuild, go ahead, hit mute, and I'll tell you when I'm done yapping. So for the last 2 years, all you guys that's subscribed, that've been here, that's commented, that's been part of the show, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Huge thank you to you guys. The current builds that we have going on right now, we have the GLC 300 that's on the frame machine, and the guys took a couple days off, so we kind of relaxed on it. We should be back to regular programming in a week or so, I believe. What else we got going on? I did kind of start the 300C. We're working on cleaning up that engine out of the Jeep. We'll see how that pans out. The SRT4, I know I kind of forgot about it, but there's this car that's not being released to the auctions yet. So I'm praying to the auction gods that they finally, possibly this year, they'll release it and I could bid on it and win it and finish the SRT4 rebuild. No, I'm not going to be selling it. That is going to be the shop car. That's going to be my car. I'm never getting rid of it. The budget boat, we got, what do we got going on? We have the fiberglass being done at Marine Clean. Jason is telling me we should be getting done soon with it. The tower, I believe, is welded and it's on the way. I found glass on eBay. We should be picking that up as well. So we'll pick up that project mid-February, possibly the end of February, early March. But we should be on the water this spring. I'm excited about that. And 2020 and beyond, what do we got planned? This year, I definitely want to pick up another boat. You guys are here for the boats, and that is awesome. So I'm definitely going to focus on trying to pick up a boat, possibly a diesel truck, because the gasser, I'm not into it too much. Then we have the topic of exotics. I really want to pick up a Lamborghini, and not for the views. I just want to make that clear. Picking up an exotic, a Lamborghini to be exact, is a personal goal that I've been trying to attain for the last 10 years. That's something that I want to do for myself, and I think you guys would enjoy it as well. I've always looked at Lamborghinis as kind of the pinnacle when, in the car world. So whenever I had plenty of opportunities of driving one, sitting in one, and I never took that opportunity because in my head, I always told myself to never sit in another man's Lamborghini. And that's something that I really want to do in my lifetime. So I definitely want to, if something falls into my lap, I will definitely do that. The channel is not going to change. We're going to continue doing the same things that we've been doing. You guys seem to like it, and I'm finally learning how to do all of this, and maybe, who knows, I might start making a little bit more videos for you guys. Rebuilds are still going to be financially focused. That's never going to change. I'm never going to do rebuilds just for the views. That's just not me. I'm always going to be an open book with you guys. I'm not going to be an educational channel, but if you do have a question, don't hesitate to comment, email me, DM me on Instagram. I'm available 24/7 essentially, and some of you guys that have emailed me know that. What else do we got? Ads, sponsorships, and merch. So guys, when it comes to advertisements, I'm not very good at them, as you can tell. I don't take deals that I will not purchase myself. So if you ever see me talk about a product, that's because either I've used it or I would buy something like that. So that's the first thing. Unless it's something absolutely crazy that makes no sense, like, hey man, why are you doing this ad? Just understand it's a whole bunch of money and I need to pay the bills around here, get new equipment, a drone. So whenever, if you see a big ad coming on, just I'll wink at you. You guys are going to understand that this is something that is going to pay the bills for new equipment to better the futurement of the video. So I hope you guys catch the drift on that. Merchandising, guys, I suck with Photoshop. So if there's anybody out there that's good with it and wants to create a shirt, a logo, a design that we can use, and then we can share it with the community, that would be awesome. My email's in the bottom of all my videos, so you guys can email me if you have any ideas. I think we covered everything. Again, thank you so much for the last 2 years. You guys have been awesome. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you very soon. Peace out. Let's see if she'll start. All right. That's what I'm talking about. That's how much smoke is going to be coming out. Oh. That's a flooded car for you.